Hey, this is Andreas from Pocketables.net, and I wanted to do a quick video to show you what I'm talking about in my article about using Astrid and Tasker together. I have the three apps in question installed. Actually, these are fresh installs because I normally do this on my phone, but my tablet is the one that's rooted and capable of doing a screencast, so I'm going to show you on this one. So first off, let's just open Astrid and let's just add a task called buy milk actually, milk. And then I'm going to go into details and lists, and I'm going to create a new list called groceries, like that, and just save that one. So now we have a basic list and a basic task, and then we're going to go into Tasker and select what sort of notification we want for that task. Just going to create a new profile, and as the context I'm going to select that well, normally this would be something like a location, but since I don't want to leave my house just to do this video, let's just say that it should trigger whenever I opened BeyondPod, which is a podcasting application. Then it asked me to add a new task. Just going to call that one test, and then going to ask me for actions. And actions are basically what you want to do, where you want to link Astrid. And Astrid, the right version of the Astrid link is in plugins and Astrid filter alert, and then you're going to click edit, just select your list, then whatever the notification limit should be, and just hit OK. Go back, and then you have basically the way to read this is that when BeyondPod is opened, run the task called test. So I'm just going to OK my way out of that one and go into apps and find BeyondPod. And as soon as I open the app, the device is vibrating like crazy, and it reminds me that you have one task matching groceries. So in this case it was an app that was opening, just to show you some other uses. For instance, you have location. That one is pretty self-explanatory. You have one I use myself is under state and net and Wi-Fi connected. So basically I say that when you're and I'm going to invert this one. So basically what this says is when you're not connected to my home Wi-Fi, then you're going to run the notification. So for me, whenever I leave the house, I lose the connection to my Wi-Fi network, and then it reminds me of my grocery list. Another possible use would be something I played with earlier. Under event, you can set it to react to an incoming phone or incoming call or an incoming SMS or whatever, something like that. Whenever you have a missed call, remind me to call them back or whatever, something like that. You can also set it to work only for specific callers, so you want to be reminded to call your mom back but not your boss or whatever, something like that. Basically you have all these sort of different triggers here that just crazy actually. You can even have it when the USB is plugged in, remind me to copy those vacation photos from last year or something like that. You get the point. You have all these different potential uses that go far beyond just being notified at a specific time or On some newer devices like the iPhone, you can be notified based on location, but you can't actually be notified based on things like the state, the Wi-Fi, or whatever. So that's just a very quick run through of how to set this up. Tasker isn't the most easy app to learn how to use, but trust me, it's worth it. So make sure to check out the full article on Pocketables.net, and thank you for watching.